Action.
Hello, this is Barry's Fashion Hair. Today I'm going to show you our 40 inches nature color wig. As you can see, our hair are human virgin hair. It can be dyed to 613 colors and can be bleached, permed, straightened very easily. Okay, I'll put it on a model. This is 180 density. As you can see, the hair is very soft and silk. Turn it around. See? There are baby hairs, transparent lace. It can be very matched with your skin. This is the free part. You can depart them yourself. Okay, I'll show you inside. There is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, and behind the wig are 4 combs and a strap can be adjusted. This hair is very quality. If you like it, please leave comments or contact us.